packaging box, storage bag, instruction manual, clamp watch, testing pen. Open the battery compartment cover and install a 9V battery. Switch the function to AC current of 200 amperes. Press the data hold button to lock the measurement value. Large range 1000 ampere AC current measurement. Measure the voltage regulator value to 30 volts with high accuracy. Measure the accuracy of the AC voltage value of the current voltage regulator, with a beep indicating good condition and no damage. A 200 ohm resistance measurement can measure a large range of 20 kiloohms.